Hi there, please like and subscribe. So yeah, we can archive. Yeah, we can change. Yeah, scroll down. Settings. General settings. Swipe actions. Actions. Configure swipe action to quickly act on a mail in the conversation list. Archive. Change. Delete. Mark. Read and read. Move to snooze. None. Left. Delete. Please like and subscribe.